So we've got brand new exchanges in FC Mobile. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a big pack opening and talk about which of these exchanges are profitable and which of these you should avoid. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. First of all, we've got this Waller exchange right there. As you can see, we need to complete 8 of these exchanges for 94 overall Waller. Let me know down in the comment section if you've done this card or if you're doing this card. Personally, I'm not gonna do this card just because I've already packed 94 overall untradeable Robbie Keane, so I don't really need him. I've got another Heroes card that has got 4-star skill moves, so I don't need him as I said. And I wouldn't really suggest you to do that one as well, just because we've got so many great strikers in the game. He's got 3-star skill moves as well that I don't like about him. Definitely not. 3-star skill moves is just not good enough at this stage. 4-star recruit is decent, but there are just so many like high overall good strikers in the game. I don't really think you should go ahead and do this exchange. Let me know if you're doing him though. Now, if you think about it, the exchange is not bad. Like some of those exchanges, or most of them, are not bad. They are a lot cheaper than Roberto Carlos, Hulit, or Jairzinho that we had. They're a lot cheaper. For the 8th one, we need 187 overall attacker, 186 overall player, 285s and 780s. For the 7th one, we need 285 overall Bundesligas, 383s and 680 pluses. So as I said, the exchanges are not bad for these Waller cards, but I'm just still not gonna do it just because I don't need a 94 overall card. I might do it later on just because I might need a 94 overall card for some of the exchanges, but not right now. It's still got 35 days to go for these Waller exchanges, so as I said, not gonna be doing that one for now. You got 89 overall Balak exchange as well. Like, is anybody gonna do this exchange? Probably not, right? That card is just terrible at this stage, so probably not. But we also got this 93 to 94 overall exchanges. We also got this icon exchange, 90 to 95 overall untradeable icon exchange. Let me know if you're doing that. I still don't think that one is worth it, to be fair. And we've got this 82, not this one. This one was there, obviously. 83 to 97 overall times 5 exchanges that I'm gonna open, and that I think are actually quite decent. So yeah, let's go ahead and open some of the packs. First, I'm gonna start with this 80 to 97 overall. You cannot go wrong with these packs, obviously. This just gives out free rewards for just 70 overall card. Other than that, this 83 to 97 overall exchange, I think that's quite a decent exchange, to be fair. We're gonna be getting 5 83 pluses, and we need 185 overall team of the year player, 5 84 plus overall players, and 5 80 plus overall players. 80 plus overall players are about like 100k. They're not even 100k, I don't think. They are 100k. They have gone up in price quite a bit. To be fair, they were like 70,000 coins, but they're about 100,000 coins. So this one costs 500k. 84s are about like 350k, I think, about that price at least. I bought some 84 overall cards, so I know I know the estimate price of them, about 350,000 coins. So that one is 1.7, 1.8 mil maybe. So that's 2.2 mil, and the 85 overall team of the year is about like 900,000 coins, a million coins. So this exchange costs about 3 million coins if you go ahead and count everything. About 3 mil, just over 3 million coins maybe, and we're getting 5 83 pluses. I think this exchange is worth it, as I said. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open all 3 of them, and let's see if I'm gonna get more than 3 million coins from each of these packs. If we do, then this pack definitely is profitable. We're gonna get an icon or a hero. It's gonna be, I mean, he's got a heroes card. He's got like a higher overall heroes card that I packed. That is 94 overall. 94 overall. Why are you giving me this 86 overall version of Keane? I'm not sure. From the first pack, to be fair, we did not really make profit. That's 1.3 mil, 1.6 mil, 2.2 mil. So I didn't really make profit from this one. I still think this pack is decent. I just got very unlucky with this pack, I think. I think this pack is good to risk, because you're not gonna be losing that much coins if you actually don't pack anybody good, just like I did. I lost like maybe 500 to 600,000 coins from that pack if you don't have any players, and if you have to buy those players. I obviously had most of those cards in my squad already, so I didn't really spend that much coins. But if you spend all your coins, if you are losing coins from this pack, from this exchange, you're not gonna be losing that much. But if you are making coins, that's obviously great as well. From the second one, we got an icon or a hero once again. It's Italian, left back. Is that Maldini? Is it? No, it's not. It's Zambrota. Maldini has only got one 92 overall centre back card. that is base, obviously. So yeah, that's 87 overall Zambrotta. Again, we got quite unlucky. From this one, we probably made profit though. From this one, we probably made profit. We did. It's not a lot of profit, but we still made some profit. I'm not happy with that pack either though. I'm not happy with that pack. I just want to pack someone great, someone very, very high overall. It's once again an icon or a hero, and this time it's Baggio. Is that Baggio? I think that is 91 overall. So we definitely made profit from this pack already. If you pack a 90 plus overall card, you straight away made profit. Again, not the best pack, but at least we made profit from this pack as well. So as I said, this pack is almost a guaranteed profit pack. From the first one, we just got incredibly unlucky, but most of the times you're gonna be making coins from that pack. And we got 93 to 94 overall player pack right there as well. We need 90 overall cards. That's about like 2.2 million coins. 87s. How much are 87s actually? I'm not 100% sure how much 87 overall cards are. I know, alright, they are about 1 mil. 950k, 900,000 coins. So let's say those two are, or those two 87 overall cards are gonna be 1.8 mil. That's gonna be like 4 million coins for 90s and 87s, and 85 overall cards are 500k, about that. So that this exchange is gonna cost 4 mil plus 4 mil, that's about 8 million coins. So this exchange is gonna be costing me 8 million coins right there. So let's go ahead and see if you're gonna make more than 8 million coins. You can pack 93, 94 overall cards. You should pack a 94. Someone like Keane, you're gonna be making profit. They're not gonna sell straight away, but they are gonna sell at some point. So what we need is 94 overall cards. We can pack heroes or rivals players, by the way. So we can pack like Team of the Year Ronaldo, because that's a Team of the Year card. Only heroes or rival cards. Let's see what we're gonna pack. It's gonna be a rivals card. It's gonna be Brazilian left wing. No, that's a CDM. Oh, Casemiro, is he 93 or 94? He's 93. So we got Casemiro. That's 9 million coins. I did not lose coins. I did not make coins. He's not gonna sell straight away. So probably it's not a great pack to open. If I sold all of those cards, I could have got like 8 million coins. So again, not the best one for from the first pack. I'm just gonna put some of these Mateus Cunhas because I've got a lot of him. And let's open the second pack as well. This pack is definitely not bad either, by the way, because if you pack a 93 overall card, you're not really losing coins. But if you pack a 94 overall card, you're gonna be making coins. So I think that pack is definitely good as well. Anyways, let's open the second one. Hopefully we're gonna get a 94 overall card this time. Is that Donnarumma? That is how I feel like he's gonna be worth quite a few coins, even though he's 93. He's worth about 13 mil, 13 mil, but he's going down in price. I think I'm gonna be making profit from this pack though. I think I'm gonna be making profit from this Donnarumma pack. So that was not bad. Still a 93 overall card though. Still a 93 overall card from that one. I'm gonna put, I think, Mateus Cunha, and I'm gonna put some other, I'm gonna put Carrasco as well, or Shoops. Alright, let's see what we're gonna get from this pack then. From the last 92 to 94 overall player pack. Again, it's a rivals card. It's gonna be Italian. It's Donnarumma again. Once again, you're probably gonna make profit. So yeah, that's almost a guaranteed profit. You're not gonna be losing any coins from this 93 to 94 overall exchange pack as well. So not a bad pack to open. I think this 93 and 94 overall, as well as 83 times 5 packs, those two are quite decent to open. Because if you lose coins, you're not losing that much, but if you make coins, that's obviously great as well. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about those packs though. Other than that, we got this 87 to 97 overall pack. There is untradeable. Don't really want to open them, but I've got enough players, so I'm just gonna open one, I think. Should I open one? No, I'm not. I don't think it's worth it right now.